Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm finally sitting down to do a makeup tutorial after getting so many requests from you guys. And this makeup look right here is fit for everyday use. It's very simple, easy. So before starting with the video, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel and also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. Now let's get started with this makeup look. So it's very important to start with a clean and moisturized face for your foundation to work well. Here I am using the Nykaa foundation. This one in particular is great for summers. It's very hydrating. At the same time, it's very light and you can build on it. So that's the best part about this foundation, and I'm really into this foundation nowadays. So it's very good for regular use and also it is very budget friendly. Moving on to concealer, this one by Maybelline is literally a miracle in a bottle. This one works beautifully for hiding dark circles. The consistency is thick and it can be used as a foundation as well. Yeah, you heard me. Now moving on to brows, I'm using the Precisely Brow Pencil by Benefit. This one is my holy grail and I love using it on a daily basis. And firstly, I use the spoolie for combing out my brows, and then I use the pencil side to precisely draw out my eyebrows. So this is a very nice product, but it's slightly on the expensive side, so you can use an alternative like Maybelline. Now using this Savannah Colors blush palette, I am taking the brown shade and putting it all over my eyelids with a big fluffy eyeshadow brush. Now I am using this color so as to give a natural tone to my eyelids, and you can go ahead and use any other brown eyeshadow that you like. I'm smoking out my eyes very lightly, very close to the waterline. Now moving on to mascara, I'm using this one by Maybelline. This one gives my eyelashes the right amount of drama, fit for everyday natural look. Now it's time for blush. Taking this peachy pink color, I'm going a little overboard with the blush, but I love it. Now as you can see, I am starting very close to the nose and dragging it all over my cheeks. That's how I use the blush, and it actually makes it look very natural. Here comes my favorite product, which is the Max Fix Plus, and this one is the secret behind my glowy makeup looks that you guys see and keep on asking me. So yeah, here's the product. For lipstick, I am going ahead with this nudish pink color. I absolutely love the color. It's great for everyday use. So yeah guys, this is actually how I do my makeup for regular days. Very easy, very simple. Go ahead and recreate it. Let me know if you like it. I'm sure you do. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye.